Hey everyone, and welcome. If you clicked on this video, chances are you're feeling a little stuck. Maybe you feel like you're running in place, watching the world go by, or just not living up to your own potential. You might be scrolling through your phone late at night, seeing everyone else's highlight reels, and wondering, when is it my turn? When does my life get better? I want to tell you something right now. Your life changes the moment you decide to change it. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, not on New Year's Day. It changes today. This very moment. This is day one of your brand new life. Forget about perfection. Forget about having everything figured out. Perfection is a myth that keeps you from starting. What you need right now isn't a perfect plan. You need action. You need to take that first, tiny, wobbly step. So, let's do this together. Let's make today day one. The day you stopped waiting and started doing. The day you decided to become the person you've always wanted to be. The first step, and maybe the hardest, is to get brutally honest with yourself. We need to identify what's actually holding you back. It's easy to blame circumstances or other people, but real change comes from looking inward. So, grab a piece of paper, a notebook, or just open the Notes app on your phone. I want you to ask yourself, what's really stopping me? Is it bad habits? Maybe you're staying up too late, hitting the snooze button a dozen times, or eating food that makes you feel sluggish. Is it negative self-talk? That little voice in your head that says you're not good enough, not smart enough, not ready? Or is it a fundamental lack of direction? Do you just feel lost, with no clear goal or purpose lighting your way? Don't just think about it, write it all down, every single thing, no judgment. This isn't about beating yourself up, it's about gaining awareness. Awareness is like turning on the lights in a dark room. Suddenly you can see the obstacles for what they are. They're not giant, unbeatable monsters. They're just things, and things can be moved. This list is your map. It shows you where the roadblocks are, so you can start planning how to get around them. This is the foundation of your entire reset. Okay, now that you've got your list, you might feel a little overwhelmed. That's normal, but here's where we simplify. Step 2 is to set one goal. That's right, just one. Not 10, not 5. Just a single, solitary goal. Our society glorifies multitasking and having a million ambitious goals at once. But what usually happens, we get spread too thin, make a little progress on everything but master nothing, and then we burn out and give up. We're not doing that this time. This time, we're going to focus our energy like a laser beam. So, look at your life and ask yourself, what is the one biggest improvement I can make right now that would have the most positive ripple effect on everything else? Maybe it's your health. Committing to moving your body every day could give you more energy, boost your mood, and increase your confidence. Maybe it's discipline. Creating a solid morning routine could set the tone for a productive and focused day. Or maybe it's your finances. Learning about budgeting and saving could reduce your stress and open up future opportunities. Whatever it is, choose one. Your one thing. Write it down in big, bold letters. My goal is to improve my physical health. My goal is to build discipline. My goal is to take control of my finances. This is your North Star. It's the one thing you'll commit to, above all else, during this reset period. Everything we do from this point forward will be in service of this one goal. Now for step 3, create a ridiculously simple plan. The biggest mistake people make is creating a complex, overwhelming plan that requires a Herculean amount of willpower. We're aiming for consistency, not intensity. Small, daily actions are what win the war. Let's break it down with some examples. If your one goal is health, your simple plan isn't go to the gym for 2 hours every day. It's do 10 minutes of exercise every single morning. That could be a walk, some stretching, or a quick home workout video. The key is that it's so easy, you almost can't say no. If your goal is financial growth, your plan isn't become a millionaire in a year. It's spend 10 minutes every day learning about personal finance. Read a blog, listen to a podcast, watch a video. Just 10 minutes. If your goal is discipline, maybe your simple plan is plan my next day for 5 minutes before I go to bed. This tiny action creates structure and intention for the following day, preventing you from waking up and just reacting to things. The magic of these small actions is that they build momentum. That 10-minute workout makes you feel good, so maybe tomorrow you do 12 minutes. That 10 minutes of learning sparks an idea, and you get excited to learn more. These small wins build self-trust. You're proving to yourself day by day that you are someone who follows through. Next up, step 4, and this one is crucial in our modern world, remove distractions. Let's be honest, our attention is the most valuable currency we have, and there are billion-dollar companies fighting for every second of it. You can have the best goal and the best plan in the world, but if you're constantly distracted, you'll never get anywhere. The biggest culprit for most of us is our phone. Social media can be a great tool for inspiration and connection, but it's also a bottomless pit of comparison and wasted time. The endless scroll is designed to keep you hooked. So, you need to be ruthless in managing it. This doesn't mean you have to delete all your apps and go live in a cave. It just means using them with intention. Set timers for your social media use. Unfollow accounts that make you feel bad about yourself. Turn off notifications. Create no phone zones or times in your day, like the first hour after you wake up or during meals. Less scrolling, more doing. Less consuming, more creating. You'll be amazed at how much time and mental energy you get back when you consciously unplug. Fill that newfound time with actions that support your one goal. Instead of scrolling, go for that 10-minute walk. Instead of watching random videos, read that chapter of your book. Protect your focus, because it's the engine that will drive your progress. And that brings us to the final and most important step of all. Step 5, take action today. Right now. Not tomorrow, not when you feel like it. Motivation doesn't just appear. It's a result of taking action. You do something, you see a small result, and that motivates you to do more. Action is the spark. So, what is one tiny thing you can do right now, in the next 5 minutes, to kickstart your reset? You don't need to tackle your whole plan, just one piece of it. If your goal is health, can you get up and do 10 squats right now? Or fill up a water bottle and put it on your desk? If your goal is learning, can you Google a topic you're interested in and read one article? If your goal is discipline, can you take 2 minutes to tidy up the space right in front of you? The size of the action doesn't matter. What matters is that you break the cycle of procrastination. You break the inertia. Progress, no matter how small, is still progress. A single step is infinitely more powerful than standing still and just thinking about the journey. This is your day 1. You don't have to fix your entire life at once. You don't need to have all the answers. You just need to start. You just need to take that one, small, imperfect step. And then another one tomorrow, and another the day after that. Imagine yourself a month from now, 6 months from now, a year from now. Imagine the person you'll become by taking these small, consistent actions every single day. That person is waiting for you. They're proud of you for starting. They're cheering you on. And they will thank you for making the decision you're making today. You have the power to completely transform your reality. It all begins here. It all begins now. This is your moment. Don't let it slip away. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments what your one goal is. Declaring it is a powerful first step. Be sure to subscribe for more content to help you on your journey. Remember, you've got this. Let's get to work.